Welcome to Coding Guru. We explain about the techno topics in simplest manner. Ever wonder how technology will shape our future and what role coding plays in it? It's hard to ignore the pervasive presence of technology in our lives. It's advancing at an astonishing pace, transforming the world around us. And at the heart of this digital revolution is coding. It's the language that powers the apps on our smartphones, the algorithms predicting our online shopping habits, and so much more. So you see, coding is the backbone of the technology that is shaping our future. But what exactly is coding and why is it so important? Coding, at its most basic, is a set of instructions that tells a computer what to do. It's the language that we use to communicate with machines. Think of it like cooking. The recipe is your code, and the computer is your kitchen appliance. Now, this language is not just used for creating software or apps. It's used in various fields, such as medicine for machine learning algorithms, space exploration for directing rovers, and even in entertainment for video games. But beyond these practical applications, coding is a great tool for problem-solving and logical thinking, teaching us to break down complex problems into manageable tasks. Coding, therefore, is not just about creating software or apps, it's about problem-solving, creativity, and making things work. So why should you care about coding, you may ask? Well, it's simple. Coding is the magic behind the technology that powers our world. It's the cornerstone of innovations and breakthroughs, driving advancements in fields as diverse as medicine, entertainment, finance, and even space exploration. More than just a hard skill, coding also fosters a problem-solving mindset. It trains your brain to break down complex issues into manageable parts, an invaluable ability in any career. Plus, it's a ticket to a wealth of job opportunities, with demand for coding skills skyrocketing across industries. In the future, not knowing the language of computers, coding will be as challenging as being illiterate or enumerate today. So dive into the world of coding and shape your future. Thanks for watching Coding Guru.